What's up, y'all? Anthony from the Detail Specialist. Today we're doing a 71 Suburban 3-door. This vehicle has been at the paint shop for over a year, getting dialed in. I know, it's a long time. What we did is we did a full decontamination, clay, and polish of the paint. Now we're going to apply our candy coat, 3-year ceramic, which will give this paint 3 years of protection against fallout, micro marring. It is not scratch resistant, helps against bird droppings, bug damage, just natural elements of the earth. What this does is it impregnates the paint's pores, leaves a nice smooth glass-like finish, so therefore this client will not be waxing this vehicle for 3 years. However, it's not an end-all be-all. You still do maintain it and wash the vehicle. Let's get into applying. So what we have here is Auto Fibers Vapor Savers, our 3-year coating, and then Auto Fibers Edgeless Utility Towel. So what you do is you prime your pad. Always lid your ceramic. It's a very expensive mistake if you spill it. Typically you want to do a 2x2 section, so I'll break this fender into different sections. And then you'll cross hatch to ensure even coverage. Now this room's 72 degrees, so what you'll get here is you'll get a flashing. It's where the carrier has released, so then you know that the solvent is ready to come off. So what it's doing right now is it's bonding to the paint's pores. So you take your towel, if you look here, you can see some rainbowing going on. That means that the product has absorbed into the paint and now the carrier is releasing. And always flip the towel and go back over it for extra security of getting any smears off. It's pretty much how ceramic's applied. The majority of the work is in correction, polishing, getting the paint dialed in. Laying the ceramic is easy to those who have done it. If not, you can definitely ruin a vehicle's finish. The only way to get it off is with a high abrasive, diminishing the compound, or sanding it off and then reapplying this to the surface.
How long does it typically take to do a whole vehicle?
A vehicle this size, I'll probably have 45 minutes to an hour in coating, but we have roughly 9 hours in polishing yesterday.
Oh,